Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You're starting inside Dev C++ already. Open a code file so you see the editor. Once the editor is active, open Tools, then Editor Options, and switch to the Font tab to change type and size. You do this here because Dev C++ stores editor preferences separately from system fonts, so changing it affects only the IDE. Choose a monospaced font for clarity and pick a size like 12 to 18 points. Apply to preview. Don't close yet, there's one more setting to confirm. Now adjust the editor and the console or output window separately so both are readable. The console often uses its own font setting. In editor options, also check line spacing and tab width because those affect perceived size and alignment. If characters overlap or look compressed, increase spacing slightly. Save your preferences using Apply or OK, and then restart Dev C++ when changes don't appear instantly. Restarting forces the IDE to reload font metrics. Once done, test by opening several files to confirm consistency. Finish by confirming global environment options so new files inherit the font. If settings revert after a reboot or update, run Dev C++ as an administrator and reapply preferences. Permission issues can block saving. If fonts still don't stick, back up and delete the preferences file to let Dev C++ recreate it or consider reinstalling. As a final tip, if you use an old build, switch to a maintained fork or updated build. Many display bugs are fixed upstream. Make sure to test compilation output visibility too.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.